This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, December 24th, 2015. Here's our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We have a system departing to our northeast, and that's going to take a lot of the active weather that we saw yesterday across the state. But another system is going to be coming in from the west and southwest. That could bring us a little bit of activity, maybe a few snow showers or some sprinkles or flurries or whatnot. There could be some minor accumulations, maybe an inch or two in our western counties and a little bit less in our eastern counties. This could bring us a white Christmas here as we go into tomorrow, but it's a bit iffy at this point. But on Christmas, it looks to be fairly quiet as we'll be in between one storm that's off away from us and this next storm that's coming in late Christmas night and into this weekend, where we could see some rain activity, and it looks to be mainly in the form of rain, maybe starting out as a rain-snow mix in our western and northern counties before switching to all rain except in our far northwestern counties. As we move into Sunday, now this is where it's changed from the last few days. Sunday it moves off to the east and southeast, and cold air comes in, and that's going to be fairly decent cold air. We could see highs maybe only in the teens or 20s, and lows maybe even in the single digits to lower and middle teens in some areas. Now this is as we move into Monday. There's still nothing in the state. That storm is still trying to organize to our south. It then quickly moves northeast, but it just clips our eastern counties with some snow. That may bring only a few inches or so, if that. So we'll keep watching to see if anything changes with future model runs with that. That system continues to move away. Could still see a few flurries or snow showers with a weak a weak disturbance coming in, but cold air comes back in from the north and west. And then as we look toward next Thursday, which would be New Year's Eve, it looks to be, somewhat tranquil to a certain extent. Be one disturbance moving away from the state, another one over the south and west, in the southwest part of the country. We'll have one storm moving away from us. Could still bring a few flurries around, and otherwise it looks fairly seasonal, maybe a few degrees below seasonal levels for temperatures. As we go further into the extended period around the 3rd of January, we have a disturbance, another one dropping in from the north and west. It'll be over Montana and the Dakotas, and that's going to start dropping some cold air back in. In between that, some warm air is going to try to squeeze back in, so we could see temperatures back above seasonal levels. We'll see if that occurs or continues in future runs. The end of the forecast around the 7th of January, we have almost seems like this northwesterly flow coming in. We have one over the Great Lakes, another one well up in Canada, and these are just continuously dropping in, bringing in a couple snow showers or whatnot, but nothing very heavy at this point. But we've seen a lot of these northwesterly flow storms over the last few winters, and that usually keeps us rather cool. We'll see if that continues. Satellite image shows a storm that's not very winter-like or very typical of the winter. Big storm system, showers, thunderstorms, a lot of severe weather last evening across the south, and there's still remnant tornado watch as of last evening at this time over the Tennessee River Valley. Wind in the Great Lakes. Winter weather still ongoing in the west. It seems like days of winter weather in the west. QPF chart, precipitation for the next 5 days, still very wet, with another system moving across the southern plains and into the middle Mississippi River Valley with a lot of precipitation down there.